In this video, I'll show you how to change font settings in Helium Browser step by step. First, open Helium Browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots menu. After that, open Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for the section called Appearance and Behavior and click on it. Here, you'll immediately see the font size option. Helium Browser lets you quickly adjust the overall text size from very small all the way up to very large. As you change the font size, you can instantly see the difference on websites. For example, if you open a page like YouTube, the text, menus, titles, and comments will appear larger or smaller depending on the setting you choose. This is especially useful if you spend a lot of time browsing, reading articles, or watching videos and want the text to feel more comfortable for your eyes. If you want even more control, click on Customize Fonts. Inside this section, you'll find several advanced font settings that let you personalize how text appears across websites. First, you can adjust font size, which changes the default text size used on most websites. Below that, you'll also see the minimum font size option. This setting is useful because it prevents websites from displaying text that is too tiny to read comfortably. As you increase the minimum font size, smaller text across websites becomes easier to see. You can also customize different font types used by the browser. For example, you can change the standard font, which is the main font style used on most websites. You'll also find separate settings for serif fonts, sans-serif fonts, fixed-width fonts, and mathematical fonts. You can experiment with different font styles to find the combination that looks best and feels the most comfortable for your browsing experience. And if you ever want to change things again later, you can simply return to the same font settings menu and adjust everything anytime you want. As you can see, Helium Browser gives you a lot of control over how websites look and feel, and even small font changes can make browsing much more comfortable and personalized. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.